Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn Grammar Chapter 20 Contentions. Contention is a part of speech that connects two sentences. The words and, but, or, and because help to join words and sentences. Let's learn the usage of these joining words with examples. We use and to join two words or ideas that are similar. For example, I went to the mall and bought a new dress. Here we join two ideas that are similar. Next word is but. We use but to join opposite ideas. For example, she is tall but her sister is short. Here, one is tall and another one is short. So we join these two sentences by using but. Next word is or. We use or to give a choice or an option. For example, do you want to go to the mall or to a restaurant? Here you have a choice that whether you want to go to the mall or to a restaurant. The next word is because. We use because to give a reason. For example, Leda was late for work because she had an accident. So why Leda was late for work? Because she had an accident. So the word because is used to give a reason. So hope you have understood how to use these joining words in sentences. Let's see the errors in the use of joining words in the sentences and how to correct them. I reached home but I did my homework. Here the joining word is but it is not suitable for the sentence. So the right answer is and because these are similar sentences. I reached home and I did my homework. Second one, we could not play outdoors and it was raining. So and is the joining word here, but that is not right answer. The right answer is because. So why you couldn't play outdoors? Because it was raining. So that is the reason. You can buy the pink dress because the yellow dress. Here the joining word because is wrong and the right answer is or because it gives you a choice. You can buy the pink dress or yellow dress. Next one, I like to play soccer but cricket. So in this sentence, but is the joining word and that is wrong and the right answer is and because you like to play both. Next one, it is good to play in the sun in winter because not in the heat of summer. Here the joining word because is not suitable for the sentence because these are opposite sentences and the answer is it is good to play in the sun in winter but not in the heat of summer. Next one, I like chocolate in my milk and I don't like sugar in it. And the right answer is but. I like chocolate in my milk but I don't like sugar in it. Next one, he was late or he missed the bus. And the right answer is so. He was late, so he missed the bus. So means as a result. Then the last one, the sun was warm because the wind was cool and pleasant. Here the joining word because is wrong and the right answer is but because these are two opposite sentences. The sun was warm but the wind was cool and pleasant. So hope you have understood the usage of joining words in sentences. So let's see some more sentences by using these joining words. I ate quickly, I was getting late. I ate quickly because I was getting late. Walk fast, you will be late. Walk fast or you will be late. Or means otherwise. Sid went to the stadium, he wanted to practice football. Sid went to the stadium because he wanted to practice football. In these sentences, you can notice that we use joining word in the place of full stop, that is in the middle of sentences. Next exercise, use and, but, or, because to complete the sentences. We cannot play outside because it is raining. His shoes are not old, but he wants to buy new ones. I am going to the supermarket to buy milk, butter, and bread. He bats well, but he has not scored a century yet. So read the sentences carefully and use the suitable joining word to complete the sentences. The words when, after, although, and until are also conjunctions. Look at the examples. I will call you when I reach London. We use when as a conjunction meaning at the time that. So when will you call? When I reach London. So same way, look at the sentence in exercise also. Question number 5. I feel happy when I play with my pet. Here, when do you feel happy? When I play with my pet. It shows the time. Next one, call me after you reach home. After can be used as a preposition, an adverb, and a conjunction. After means later than. So call me after you reach home. Another sentence in exercise is question number 9. We arrived at the party after they had left. Next one, although she was tired, she could not sleep. Although is used to contrast ideas. That means, look at the sentence. She was tired. That is one sentence, and next sentence is she could not sleep. Usually, when you get tired, you take rest. But here, there are two opposite ideas. She was tired, but she could not sleep. So there we use although. So although and but are used to contrast ideas. And in exercise question number 3, I could not get a seat although I came early. Another one is question number 8, although it was hot, he was wearing a coat. Next is until. We sat talking until it was dark. So until is used up to the time something happened. Another sentence is question number 2 in exercise. Keep your hand on the wound until the doctor asks you to take it off. Question number 7. You can stay out until the clock strikes 12. I hope you have understood how to use joining words in the sentences. Understand the meaning of these joining words and do your exercises carefully. That's all for today. Thank you.